Hello guys. Best person loan in UK. Best person loan in UK. Type loan of advance, personal loan, security loan, car loan, home economy loan, equity loan. Understand different loan type that suit financial situation. Loan type: credit loan, equity loan. 8 different type loan should no credit karma. UK. What type loan of amount best loan insurance? Loan type. What is the different loan value we can? I will show you some this site page. Term loan, business loan, small loan, and merchant cash advance, invoicing, discounting. I will show you this page, website. Enter your name, email, contact number, date of birth, type, enter your mortgage property, and enter your amount, random amount type. I will like, enter amount. Here you have advice, credit score, view, poor credit missing, type, get your resource. Compare your loan before lender right to the market. Which would be left rating, which range provide money best. Sunday Money, Hitesh Bank, and Rupo Tesco Bank, M&SC. Compare loan finding. What will my loan cost? Loan amount 10k euro, 10k pound, British pound, and monthly repayments 179.079 point. Length of agreement 16 months. Total amount. What what will prepaid loan you get to deal you issue? Compare loan. Enter your find application. Can get a brand new acute. And just I will fully scroll down. I hope you understand guys, and you're watching Urdu Facts. Search for eligibility. Home improvements, debits, car loan. I will search car in loan. I need 3000k British pound. Enter your email address. Your email at gmail.com. Mr. Enter your password. Just I will password random. Enter your Mr. Mrs. your name, first name, last name, date of birth, age, marriage, passcode. Enter your address, fully time. Enter your job, teacher. Enter your mortgage loan known otherwise, and get result. After getting result, you will get loan. Thanks for watching guys. I hope you understand guys. My name is Tamoor Ali and you're watching Urdu Fact. Thanks for watching guys. Goodbye. Tata. Bye bye. Thank you. See you.